Watch as Dancehall Queen Spice takes her living room to the next level, turning it into the ultimate dinner setting for a cozy family night.
This is what you call the little, fruits and refreshment area. We have the water fountain, little razzle dazzle, little here and there. But get into the details so you understand. Because you know when Gala do things, Gala go just go all out. The names are plated so everybody know them specific seats. As for Claudette, that's Jabari. We have Aldine, Elsie. Wow. See, the only person that showed up late is this person.
Oh, what?
The only person that...
Oh, this is fly.
We're about to get into the food real quick. I'm going with myself because, girl, I transformed the whole place and dinner is ready. Would you have dinner with me? Yeah, we are doing it this way. So this is the menu. And get into the menu real quick. You know, girl, have oxtail, yeah, curry goat, fried chicken, parrotfish, brown stew fish, king crab, lobster, shrimp, mac and cheese, rice and peas, yeah, all kind of things. Platin over here, so, local shrimp there, so, patty and them something there. But open up the pot so you can understand. So here we have what we call manish water, goat head soup. We don't understand what. Couple of videos something, girl. We don't understand what go on. We have some lobster tail. Yeah, this is not a small thing, this is a big thing. You understand? Then over here, so now you have some vegetable. You know, we have to eat healthy, so we have to sprinkle in the vegetable and then something there. Yeah, candied yams, rice and peas, and so. Yeah, I don't look at rice over there, so. We're not done, hold on. They could come over the kitchen, because you know, food, girl over our belly. You have to understand that this is not a local. You understand? So we're getting at the gold pan right there, so now. So go right there, so now. We have brown stew fish. We have crab yasso, potato, local corn, local razzle dazzle. Yeah. We're not finished. I have parrotfish yasso again. Because I was once a pescatarian. I love seafood. But something happened along the way and they made me start eating meat. But y'all love our seafood. Over here, so we have the people that want chicken. Local mac and cheese. Of course, you have to have local mac and cheese. Local oxtail, local curry goats. Little bit of this and a little bit of that. Look here and there. Yeah, dinner is ready, dinner is served. I couldn't get no better than this.